What up, car people? Another video from Kruuse Car Fix. In this video I will show you how to proper wash your car. We will need two buckets. We're going to use the two bucket method. I will get back to that. We also need some dish soap, but remember, always only use dish soap where you're going to clean your car in depth and use compound afterward. Otherwise, always use car shampoo. We also need a microfiber cloth. I got this one where I can trap the dirt down in the fiber so it won't scratch the car. And don't use a sponge. It will scratch the car because the dirt will be on the surface of the sponge. Then we're also going to clay bar the car. It will make sure that contamination that we won't get out from the wash will be removed. I couldn't find the microfiber towels, but I'll use this microfiber cloth. I got a lot of them, but use a microfiber to wipe down the car. And then I will also use this makeup brush to do some touch up. In the next video I will show you how to compound, polish and ceramic coat your car, but in this I will show you how to wash and clay bar your car. Because you don't want to put your car in a car wash ever again. It will make swirls and scratches on the paint and it doesn't look good. And scratches, by the way, you don't want to use clothes with zippers and buttons, and remember also to take off your rings before you clean your car so you don't get any new scratches from that. Last but not least, it's always the best to clean your car in the morning or in the evening when you don't have that much sun. First I will just wash the car without touching it. It will get some of the dirt and contamination of the car without even touching it. Then I will start by cleaning all the four wheels. And then I will use the two bucket method to wash the car. And remember to always clean the buckets before you start. As I mentioned before, I use this microfiber wash method to do the cleaning because it will trap the dirt down in the fibers and don't make any new scratches to the car. So here you can see I'm washing the car, and that's really boring, but thank God I can clone myself. It will make it much easier and funny to do. As you can see, the two bucket method is one bucket is dirty and one is clean. So I will always wash the mint microfiber in the dirty bucket before I put it into the clean bucket with soapy water. Here you can see all the dirt that got stuck deep down in the microfiber mitt. After the wash with the dish soap that I only use because I'll compound and polish and ceramic coat the car afterward. Otherwise you'll always, as I mentioned before, use car shampoo. I just clean down the car with water and then we're ready for the clay bar treatment. Here you can see all the contamination that I got from the first run with the clay bar. After I ran the clay bar a few times over the paint is starting to get really smooth. And here you can see where I haven't clay barred yet. It's my fingers is stuck to the paint because of all the contaminations. Here as well you can see all the contaminations that are trapped into the clay bar. That's really good. Before we'll compound and polish the car in the next video. After the clay bar, I just washed the car down again before I could dry it with the microfiber towels. And yet again, thank God I can clone myself, because that's really boring to dry down the car. Now that we are on it, I will also clay bar the front windshield as well. And when we're using all this time to wash the car perfectly, remember to also clean the doors inside. I'm that lucky that I got a dryer, so afterward if I get any dirt on the car, I will use the water from the dryer, which doesn't contain any calcium, to clean the car. As I mentioned before, in the next video I will show you how to compound, polish and ceramic coat your car so it will look like this on the left side. Now that you got so far, you hopefully got something out of the video. So please like it and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you are also interested in some of my other videos. You can see them on the screen here.